100 glute challenge. How did yesterday feel? Was it okay?
A little tender?
A little tender, a little sore. You guys, I'm here with my sister and our dog.
Hi.
This is Nolly.
Denali the mountain pup.
And this is George, as you know, Sir George the Magnificent. And we're excited to have them in our video. And of course, this is Jackelyn, but you already know that. Right?
Hi. Yes, hopefully.
And if you don't know that, you should go follow her on Instagram at Jackelyn Ho. And Jackelyn, I think you need to start a YouTube channel.
Maybe, I don't know, we'll see.
You guys, if you think Jackelyn needs to start a YouTube channel for her amazing yoga and her cardio, because she is so if you guys think I'm crazy for doing Pilates while talking, Jackelyn can talk while kickboxing. I don't even understand. How do you do that?
I think you go into like a second degree of life and then you're not really thinking.
That's like Beyonce status, when she's like singing and dancing. Like, I don't know how you do that.
Actually, I don't know. I think if we all were forced to, then we could.
So if you guys think Jackelyn should start a YouTube channel, comment below and let her know, and I'll make sure it happens. So day one, we got through it. But day two, I really wanted to ramp it up super hard because Jackelyn's here and she's intense. I need her to suffer.
Oh my god.
So which means you guys are gonna suffer, I'm gonna suffer, and guess what move we're gonna do?
Is it fire hydrant side kicks?
Yeah, it's fire hydrant kicks. I might have told her right before this. You guys, fire hydrant kicks are really gonna attack that side booty, and it's gonna be intense, but I'll give you modifications. Ready?
Ready!
Let's do this!
Woo!
Okay, it's gonna be 100 on the right, 100 on the left. You're gonna open into fire hydrant, you're gonna kick,
Oh my.
to bring me in and down, and that's one.
I already regret this.
Really?
She gave me a list and said, which one do you want to do? And I was like, definitely fire hydrant kicks.
Yep.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Lift
Kick
up.
and down, and kick and down, and kick and down. So you guys, when you kick, try to kick out perpendicular from your body. So you're not kicking to the back, you're kicking right out to the side. I want your belly button sucked in, hips square, so don't open up, and really point your toes, okay? Out and in. Kick and in. How's it going?
Are we done yet?
No, we're at 14.
And it's 100 total, right? Like
No,
50 each side.
100 each side.
Well, this is
So
great.
each one of these really only counts as a half. It's only half your butt.
Really unfortunate. Well, just you gotta do what you gotta do. We're only at 25.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Jackelyn, why don't you tell them, because it's hard for me to see with the way I'm clicking this.
Okay.
Oh, I'm feeling it.
I feel it too. I've been feeling it since the first one.
Oh, lengthen straight, you guys. Really point and kick. And kick. Point and kick. Beautiful. Now, modification-wise, because I forgot to tell you what that was, you can really just bring it right there into a fire hydrant and omit the kick, but come back for the kick when you're ready.
Come back
okay?
for the kick!
Woo!
What are we kicking today? Kicking away our worries, kick, fears, kick, mean people,
Kick! Toxic people, bye! Go away! Out of my life!
Okay, we are at 50!
Woo!
On this
Out.
side.
And out. Nice.
Woo!
So, this is Jackelyn's birthday month.
Yay!
What are you excited for this birthday?
Just to be with all the people I've met in LA.
Yeah.
I think when we first moved here, I was really nervous. Like,
Uh-huh.
would we find any friends? Would we fit in? And we found a good group. So I'm excited to spend my birthday with everybody, including you and Sam.
Oh, well, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna eat a lot, right?
Yes.
Oh my god, we eat so much.
Woo!
Oh, keep going.
I don't know what it says.
What does it say?
You keep pushing it down.
71. And out. And out.
Woo!
Keep kicking.
I don't feel
Out.
my butt anymore.
It is quite numb. Out and in. And lift. And in.
Woo!
Guys, keep those shoulders nice and square too, okay? Elbows nice and soft. Lengthen.
How many?
Woo. Let's see.
Good.
82.
Ooh,
Out.
good.
Good. We're almost there.
Woo! Woo!
Oh,
Come
Niles is
on.
back.
Oh, the puppies.
The
They're
puppies are here.
Woo!
Will they come join us? Come on, sir. Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Oh, they don't want to. I think we're almost done.
Oh, are we? 91, 92, 93, 94, kick higher, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, one more,
100.
Woo!
Ooh, the mermaid stretch.
Yes, I love that
I
one.
was at then booty to the corner, and then sit.
Oh my gosh.
The other side.
Up.
Oh, I feel both. That's really good.
All right, here we go, you guys. Last 100 on the other side, and you'll be done for day 2 of the 100 glute challenge.
Okay.
Ready, little sis?
Yes, I want 100 glutes.
100 glutes. Glutes. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. And kick. Oh, and kick. Why does this side hurt more?
Oh my God, I'm terrified.
And point.
What are you excited about for my birthday month?
I am planning a gift. Wait, maybe
More dogs?
more things. I'm listening to what you're saying and planning gifts. I'm excited for that. And I like seeing your genuine reaction. Although Jackelyn always wins at the gift giving game, she is like an expert gift giver. Like, you know, the kinds of people that give you gifts that touch the inner corners of your soul, and you're like, whoa, wait, you heard me when I said that one thing like a long time ago and I didn't think it was significant? That's Jackelyn times 80 billion thousand.
My best one to Cassie is when I gave her a candle and she cried.
Oh my God. Okay, so you guys, I love these huge candles from Anthropologie. They're like as big as like 3 of our faces,
But
right?
she didn't know that they made it this big.
Oh,
yet.
right. I love this. I think it's called Volcano, right?
Right, volcano.
Volcano. So I love this smell. It's kind of like citrusy and sweet. It's like my favorite smell in the world. And I would buy a candle for what, like $30 or something like that? Yeah. But then
One Christmas, I found like $150 candle, and it was like 3 times out of my budget, and I was like, it's okay, it's gonna be worth it. And I gave it to Cassie, and she opened it and just started crying.
because, you guys, kid you not, this candle could be a small coffee table. I'm not even kidding. I didn't even know it existed, so I just straight up started crying because I was like, what? It was like almost as, you know, it was like equivalent to when I met Taylor Swift.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I just started crying, like didn't know why.
We're at 62,
Woo!
by the way. Let me tell you about the gifts that Cassie gives me. One year for my birthday, she gave me a gift certificate to a massage, and I was so excited. I was like 15 years old, and then I read the fine print and realized that Cassie had just learned how to use Photoshop, and it was fake. It was so fake. I didn't get a massage.
I thought it was funny. I thought it was funny. I've tricked you a lot with gifts, huh?
Oh, at least like 10 times.
Yeah.
Speaking of 10 times, we have 20 left.
Woo! Almost there, you guys. Keep those shoulders square, eyes on the edge of your mat, kicking perpendicular to your body.
How's your butt feel?
Not even feeling it because it's so intense right now. It's so numb.
Like you went past the point of
Went
feeling?
past, and now it's just moving.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, I can see that.
10 more.
10 more, you guys. 8, 7, count with us. 6,
Can't hear you.
5, louder. 4, come on. 3, 2, hold this one.
What?
1, oh, one more. Hold. And down. Woo!
We didn't have to hold the other side.
Sorry. Okay, good job.
Yay!
We killed your day 2 100 glute challenge. You need to go follow Jackelyn everywhere, okay?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Like in real life?
Oh, that would be a little creeps. But how about we start on Instagram? Follow her on Instagram. Her IG stories are really entertaining. I love them.
Oh, thank you.
And she's really like the cardio outdoor version of me. I'm more the Pilates indoor version
Of herself.
of myself. So yeah, go follow her there, and please let us know in the comments below if you want Jackelyn to start a YouTube channel. Like seriously, if we get enough yeses, I'm gonna force you to do one because we need some Jackelyn on YouTube. Congrats on day 2. I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of the 100 glute challenge, and we love you so much.
Bye. Crab claws, stay tuned.